Okay, so we're learning about relations. What is a relation? A relation is simply any group of ordered pairs. Any group of ordered pairs. What do I mean by that? 3, 3, 4, 2, -1, 8, 0, 0. This is a group of ordered pairs, so this represents a relation. There's nothing special about the group. It can be any ordered pairs you want. They can be random, doesn't matter. That's called a relation. Second thing we need to know for this lesson, this unit, is what is the independent variable? You've probably heard this in science. Well, your independent variable is going to be your x value. You may also see it called the x coordinate. I'm going to use those interchangeably. But what's important to know about that is this is the input. This is the variable that you control. It's up to you what you want your x values to be. The variable you control. You need to write all of that down. All of that is important. So then what is our dependent variable? This is going to be your y value or your y coordinate. This is your output. Y is determined by what you choose for x. So you don't control y. Y is determined by what you choose for x. Okay? So you can't pick random numbers for y, but you can pick random numbers for x if you want to. We're going to walk through what the conjecture is. You're going to write this down, which is something new. So make sure you write it word for word because you will be quizzed on it at some point. So the conjecture, which is kind of like the big idea of this lesson, is that a relationship between two quantities has multiple representations. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you what those representations are. You can represent it with an equation, with a graph, with a table, or with words, which is verbal. So a relationship between two quantities, meaning a relation between two numbers, has multiple representations, can be shown in many ways. Okay? So a relation can be shown in many ways. That's an easier way to say this conjecture, but we're going to keep the mathematical language in there. But that's what it means. Watch the video and do the test of conjecture with me. Then you'll be ready to try some of these on your own.